Every time you want to order food online, you first contemplate Zomato or Swiggy, or do you want to order it directly from a restaurant? Then you want to contemplate if you want to order Chinese or Indian. Then you want to contemplate if you want to have healthy food or something tasty. All of this just for one meal. So every single time you want to order something online, imagine the amount of energy and time you're putting into just one meal. So there are a lot of decisions that we make every single day from the point we start our day till we go back to bed, and sometimes even after going back to bed, your mind keeps contemplating on this or that. Should I do it this way or that way? And a lot of it can be insignificant things, and yet you're putting in so much energy and time to it. Next time you're struggling to make a decision, it is worth taking a break from thinking. Try the theory of unconscious thinking. What unconscious thinking is, you are trying to switch off your rational side of your brain and try letting the unconscious part take over. How do you do this? Now it may sound very stupid and mind-boggling, but trust me, you have to try it. Your unconscious mind is better at grasping things and shifting data. So the next time you want to make a decision, psychologists suggest this simple trick that a lot of you might have already used in your life. Toss a coin, and right when you toss the coin, when it is in the air, you can feel what you want. This is a simple way to switch off your rational side and get in touch directly with the innermost desires and experiences. Intuition is the knowledge that you feel but cannot explain. This is Vijetha. Thank you for joining.